Hi guys, welcome back. I'm going to make this a very quick one. It's about a stock called Wirecard, which has recently been in the news. If you've not heard, they've had a 2 billion, I can't remember if it's euros or dollars, black hole. So they've got these 2 billion euros missing from their account and no one knows where it's gone. Why does that interest me? The reason is you can make a lot of money from a company that's losing value. You can do something called short selling. Short selling is when you bet against the company, which is exactly what I did. I personally think the company will end up being bankrupt. They'll lose a lot of big clients like Mastercard and Visa. Transport for London use them as well for the payment processing. So these big companies, they won't be comfortable with a company that just loses 2 billion euros. I originally had a pending order at 20 euros, but that didn't go through because the stock fell straight away as soon as it opened, so it couldn't fulfilled. Then I watched the market. Eventually, I shorted at 14 euros. I think the stock will fall even further and I'll get out at a reasonable amount. The reason why I think it'll fall even more, if you look at the book value is at 18 euros. There's an issue with that 18 euros because that was based on the previous financial history, which we all know now is not correct. So that value is a lot less. Thanks for watching. There'll be more videos coming out. Please like and subscribe, as this helps me and helps the YouTube algorithm and encourages me to make a lot more videos to help you guys out.